Have you ever noticed that some people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on credit repair, but a year later, they're right back where they started? Why do you think that happens? It's because they thought credit repair was about fixing a credit report, when in reality, credit repair starts with fixing the habits that created the credit report in the first place. Let's break it down. One of the biggest misconceptions I see is that people believe they can hire a credit repair company, sit back, do nothing different, and magically end up with an 800 credit score. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Credit repair isn't a magic wand, it isn't a quick fix, and it definitely isn't something that can overcome poor financial habits if those habits never change. Real credit repair starts with you. It starts with your mindset. You have to make the decision that you're done repeating the same financial mistakes over and over again. Think about it this way. If someone removed every negative item from your credit report today, but tomorrow you started missing payments again, maxed out your credit cards, ignored your bills, and continued living beyond your means, where do you think your credit would be 6 months from now? Probably right back where it started. That's why your habits matter more than any dispute letter ever will. Your payment history makes up the largest part of your credit score. Every payment you make is another opportunity to build trust with lenders or lose it. Credit utilization matters too. If you're constantly using most or all of your available credit, lenders see that as risk. Even if you pay on time, carrying high balances can still hurt your scores. Credit repair also means learning to budget. It means knowing where your money is going every month instead of wondering where it went. It means building an emergency fund so one unexpected expense doesn't turn into multiple late payments. It means thinking before making purchases instead of buying everything on impulse. These are the things that create lasting results. Here's something I tell my clients all the time. Your credit report is simply a report card of your financial habits. If your habits improve, your credit usually follows. Yes, there may be inaccurate information that needs to be challenged. There may be reporting errors that should be corrected. There may be accounts that deserve a second look. But while that process is happening, you also have to be working on yourself. That's where real transformation happens. I know it isn't always easy. Life happens. Unexpected expenses come up. People lose jobs. Medical bills happen. Emergencies happen. I'm not here to judge anyone's past. I'm here to help you create a better future. And that future starts with changing the way you think about money, debt, and credit. Stop asking, how can I get everything removed? Instead, start asking, what habits can I change today that my future self will thank me for? Can you make every payment on time? Can you lower your credit card balances? Can you avoid opening unnecessary accounts? Can you create a spending plan you'll actually stick to? Those small decisions repeated over and over create big changes over time. Remember this, credit repair doesn't start with a dispute. It doesn't start with a letter. It doesn't even start with hiring a professional. Credit repair starts in your head because once your mindset changes, your habits begin to change. When your habits change, your finances begin to change. And when your finances change, your credit has a chance to change too. If you're ready to stop chasing quick fixes and start building a solid financial foundation, I'd love to help. Send me a message or visit fredlevy.com to learn more. Let's build a plan that not only improves your credit, but also helps you keep it that way for years to come.